All right, in this video, what we're going to do, I'm going to give you guys a quick overview of what you need to do in order to set up the confirmation page. Of course, please go and check out the Webinar Fuel Confirmation add-on to get all of the details and all of the information that you're going to need in order to set that up in its entirety, okay? It's real simple, but all you're going to do is do a quick search inside of your account to create new add-on, or you can always click on create new up in the corner, do a keyword search for webinar here, and then you've got your Webinar Fuel Confirmation add-on. So make sure to click on that, and all of the videos will be there. I'm making them right now, so they will eventually be in here, and I will show you exactly how to set that up, okay? I will see you in those videos, so take care, and I'll see you over there in those that other series of videos. Take care.